Eva Chen's 3 words. Fun fact, when I was an intern at Teen Vogue, Eva was an editor, so I have always looked up to her and kind of thought that she had the coolest style, which she does. So as usual, I did my process, which is taking screenshots of looks on her Instagram and then trying to figure out words that I would use to describe them. And this is what I came up with. I think Eva's 3 words are whimsical, structured, and casual. I'm really excited to talk about these words because they're fun words, but also I think they kind of oppose each other and create something that's really unique and interesting. Let's start with whimsical. So it's apparent that Eva really loves fashion, and I think that manifests in the way that she chooses really fun colors and textures and also nice youthful details. And I think sometimes when we think of the word whimsical, we think of flowy and fanciful and free, which I think is true in Eva's case. But I think it's also interesting because it's juxtaposed with the word structured. So here, for example, we have this kind of a whimsical purple silk skirt. We have the tie on the sweater, which I think is quite whimsical. But then the sweater is structured and a little bit chunkier. And then we have these animal print boots. Again, kind of adding a structure so it doesn't feel so whimsical. It's whimsical and structured. This is another really good example of structure and whimsical to me because this shirt is quite structured. It's just a cotton button-down shirt. But the way that it's off the shoulder is a little bit more whimsical. And when it's paired with this polka dot skirt, it kind of brings that whimsy as well. Trench is another amazing example. The trench is quite stiff and structured, but it has this embroidery that adds that nice kind of whimsical detail. This is an amazing example as well. We have the structured trench, the structured denim, but then peekaboo, there is sequins, which I think adds that nice whimsical detail again. This look also brings me to my 3rd word, which is casual. I almost think of casual as her emotional word. I think that casual is sort of how she wants to feel. So she will often style things with a simple white t-shirt or a pair of jeans. She always has that casual element, so the look feels interesting and thought out, but still very like chill and easy. She always wants to keep it grounded and down to earth. So for example, here we have this leather skirt. The leather is structured and the ruffle is whimsical. And then she just styles it with like a white t-shirt to just keep it a little bit more casual. Casual pajama set. I think that the print is quite whimsical, but I think that if she had it untucked, it would be very whimsical. The way that she tucks it, I think kind of gives that structure. These two are whimsical and structured. As well, we have the structure of the leather skirt and kind of the structure of the jacket. And I think the bow kind of gives that whimsical element, but it's also just like tied up very easy, so it still feels casual. What do we think?